All right, fempreneurs, today we're going to set up your free email account at Mailchimp.com. This is how you can use Mailchimp completely for free, not a free trial, actually free forever until you hit 500 subscribers. So you can also pay if you want to do SMS marketing. I'm going to show you all of that, but don't worry, you're going to be free until you hit 500 subscribers if you follow the steps in this video. Go to Mailchimp.com. Scroll way down and click See All Plans on the left. Scroll down until you see the free $0 plan on the right. Click Sign Up. Next, create your account. Here we are in the free version of Mailchimp. Now, to set up your sign up form, which will allow the automation to kick in where it automatically sends that free gift to people as soon as they've joined your email list, you need to create the form that they will fill out in order to start that process. So you click on forms and then you'll see this little other forms appears here on the drop down. So click on other forms. The only thing is with the free version, you only get one precious automation for free. And that happens here in this one form. So when you set up a free Mailchimp account, it's going to give you this one form and it's going to appear here under this other forms section. So we're going to edit it. All right. So we've just got the sign up form selected. And this is the unique URL that you're going to embed on your website to get them to this form so they can sign up for your email list. In the form builder, you're going to ask them for some information about themselves in exchange for the free gift. Now, I'm setting this up for Colette. She's currently in the E2E program, the Employee to Entrepreneur School. So she's using this as a workshop sign-up page. She's got a workshop coming up on December 29th, and this is how people are signing up for her free workshop. So that's one example of the way you can use this form. So she's going to want email address, first name, last name. She's going to probably put an image up here at the top for her workshop. We can add that later. You can click on that use image. For now, we're just going to leave it really bare bones so you understand how to use it. We want to make sure that they can't skip any of these. So as you can see, the email address field is automatically required, but their name field, you need to actually check that box. I want their first and last name because I usually Google them or I go onto LinkedIn and I find them and I connect with them there. I go onto Instagram, I try to find them there. You can also, if you're B2B like me, you probably want their business name. You can add a field asking for their business name. I often ask for their Instagram handle, that sort of thing. I think birthday is available. We don't want that. We're just going to delete that one. At the end of this video, I will show you the finished form and what it looks like with the image at the top and how I use like a wide banner style image at the top and how that image looks like the one they just saw over on social media. And so there's that continuation and that feeling of you're in the right place, you're doing the right things because visually the image matches what they saw on social media. But for now, let's talk about what happens after they click this button at the bottom of the form when they subscribe. So now we're going to change where we are from the sign up form to the confirmation thank you page. This is the page that they're going to see after they've clicked the subscribe button. You can also send them to your website, which I highly recommend you do. You can create a hidden page that's like susiesmith.com/thank-you or /success. And you can say, thanks for signing up for my upcoming workshop. I can't wait to see you there. Head over to your email inbox for more info about the workshop and for a surprise bonus gift. And that's what I would have on that thank you page. And I will include a little surprise bonus gift in the automated email usually. So this is the page that they're going to see if you don't send them to a hidden page on your website. The sending them to your hidden page on your website is awesome for your SEO, your search engine optimization, because all those hits on your website, those clicks, those lands on your website, those are organically moving you up in Google SEO. And not just Google, all the different search engines that we have nowadays. Okay, next we're going to go to the final welcome email. This is the email that automatically goes to them after they hit that subscribe button. So simultaneously, they're being teleported over to that hidden page on your website, and this email is landing in their inbox. And you can design it here. Once again, you can add that image that they already saw on social. You can add that here. You can add a little message to the top here. You can say, you are on the guest list for my workshop. Click here to sign up. And this is a link that you're embedding in this text in case your new sign up forwards this to someone else, then they need to sign up too, because you're not putting the Zoom link for your workshop in this email. You're going to send that to them 24 to 48 hours before the actual workshop. So this is where you could actually put the link. All right. And then you would say, I'll email the Zoom link 48 hours before the workshop, and I can't wait to see you. Now, if this is not for a free workshop, if this is for a PDF or a video that you're giving to your new email subscribers for free, then this is where you put that information. You can also, of course, put that same information on that hidden page on your website so that they're getting it immediately, plus they have it in their email inbox in case they get distracted and close that tab, then it's still in their email inbox. If you are giving away a free downloadable checklist or a video, you're going to paste that link into the text. So this click here, we're going to highlight this and we're going to go up to the link, and this is where we're going to paste the link for a file. So this file is going to be a PDF that you've uploaded to, or that you're going to upload to Mailchimp. If this is a massive, massive file, it'll tell you it's too big. But the goal of these free gifts is to give away 3 or 4 pages max of your smart brain. You're not giving them all of your wonderfulness. You're just giving them a taste. So you shouldn't run into that problem. If you're going to be putting a video here, maybe it's an unlisted YouTube video. Maybe this is a link to a page on your website. You can put the video on your website and send them to the page on your website where the video is. And of course, sending them to your website is always the best for SEO. Now you can give them that surprise bonus gift. Remember when we said on the hidden page on your website, head over to your email inbox to get your free gift and a bonus surprise. Here's the bonus gift, a 15-minute Q&A with me. Colette's business is helping people understand long-term care options for seniors and disabled people in Alberta. So she has created a free guide and she's going to give this away here. This would be something that she'll do after she's run her free workshop marketing campaign. She'll switch to giving a downloadable tool. And then she's going to give a quick 15-minute Q&A. You can head over to calendly.com and you can use their free version to have one free booking link through Calendly. And so that booking link for Colette is what would be embedded in this text here. Make sure you have this send a final welcome email box checked. And that is going to end up that's going to allow this email to go to them automatically. Okay, here we are. This is Colette's final landing page, form, whatever you want to call it, where people are going to enter their email address, first name and last name to get a seat at her free virtual workshop. So yeah, it's as easy as that. You can create an image like this in Canva. You can create the Instagram size version of this to bring people over to your website to click that workshop sign up button that brings them here. Then they fill this out. They go to either the hidden page on your website or to the page in Mailchimp that says that they've been signed up. And either way, you're saying, go over to your email inbox. I've got something really cool in there, a little surprise bonus gift to help you prepare for your workshop. If you want to use Mailchimp's SMS feature to build your SMS list so that you don't always have to rely on people seeing and opening emails from you, then you need to upgrade to their Essentials plan, which is this one right here. And this one right here. And that will give you everything you need. It will also give you the ability to use Mailchimp's better looking landing pages and emails. This is the plan that I'm on right now. And it's working great for me. I love it. So if your business is brand new or still an idea,
Vera and I have two really great support options for you. And they are E2E, the Employee Entrepreneur School, and the Online Fempreneur Success Collective. They're at two different price points. So maybe your budget is going to decide for you which one you can commit to. But if you want the highest possible level of support from Vera and I, as well as one on ones with each of us each month, then you want to check out Employee Entrepreneur School. All right, we'll see you back in video 4, where we're going to dive into using social media to drive traffic over to your website to join your email and or SMS list.